Wenzhou Qiangzhong Machinery Technology Company Limited is a professional manufacturer of processing machines located in Wenzhou City, China, near Longwan International Airport. Our main products include high shear mixer, mixing tank, colloid mill, sanitary pump, sanitary filter, sanitary pipe and valve. They are widely used in industries such as brewery, dairy product, beverage, chemicals, cosmetics, pharmaceuticals, and biopharmaceuticals. We offer complete sets of service from research and development, production, sales, after sales to maintenance. As a pioneer and innovator, Qiangzhong has obtained ISO 9001 certificate, CE certificate, and also 25 national patents for the products till now. Thanks to advanced technologies and production equipment, strict meeting industry standards, our quality is well developed continuously. So far, our products have been sold not only all around China, but also globally, such as Europe, America, Southeast Asia, Middle East. We are grateful for support from all clients that has impelled us to develop continually. And we will make every effort to absorb advanced technologies so as to offer better quality and service. That will enable Qiangzhong to better participate in the global competition and to be the choice of more customers. The trademark Qiangzhong is our commitment to customers, and we will bravely step forward to be more excellent. We look forward to developing market with you together.